My name's Alan Collins. I'm an earth scientist here at the University of Adelaide. So, how do you make the world a better place? We all want to make the world a better place. Of course, there's millions of ways of doing that. The way I choose to try is to try and learn about the earth. Try and learn fundamentally how the earth works. You'd be surprised how little we know about how the earth works. It's 4.5 billion years old, this planet. But the beauty of it is that we have the evidence. The evidence for how this earth works is locked up in the rocks around the planet. There are rocks in Australia that go back 4 billion years old. And within those, we can learn how to interrogate the information, the chemistry in there, the mineralogy, the things that make up those rocks. And they tell us what the world was like at the time, how it's changed, how the chemistry of it's changed. Now, so that's super interesting. I think it's amazing. But how does that make the world a better place? Well, locked up within those rocks, there are some weird elements, some elements that we become incredibly fond of and incredibly attached to. You might not even have heard of half of these: gallium, indium, rare earth elements. You'll have heard of some of them, like cobalt, probably, copper, definitely. And these elements actually govern our society at the moment. They go into technology, such as the iPhone I'm recording this on. But they also produce low carbon electricity. Wind farms are full of them. Neodymium, rare earth element, is in magnets within wind turbines. Batteries require them to be anything like efficient. Electric cars. Our whole pivot towards a low carbon sustainable economy depends on us finding and us being able to separate from the rocks these elements and using them in a sustainable way. So as earth scientists, one of our really big challenges is to learn about the planet, to learn about these processes that have evolved in this planet to create this habitable world we have, and how these processes have helped concentrate a lot of these elements into different parts of this world, and us to learn how to find them, how to manage them, how to get them out in sustainable, environmentally sensitive ways, and in ways that don't harm the local population. I'm only doing a very little bit of this, and it will be up to the next generation of earth scientists really to develop these techniques and technologies and methodologies. I think it's an amazing challenge. I hope you do too. Cheers.